Cults3D is a platform primarily designed for 3D printing enthusiasts to share, buy and sell 3D printable models. Here's how you can potentially make money on Cults3D. Create and sell 3D models. Design unique and high-quality 3D printable models using CAD software. List your creations for sale on Cults3D and earn money each time someone purchases your design. Offer exclusive designs. Attract customers by offering exclusive or customized designs that can be found elsewhere. This can create a niche market for your creations. Build a following. Establish a presence on Cults3D and social media platforms. Engage with the 3D printing community, showcase your designs, and build a following to increase the visibility of your store. Participate in contests. Cults3D occasionally hosts design contests. Participate in these contests to showcase your skills and potentially win prizes or gain recognition. Provide printing services. Offer 3D printing services for customers who may not have access to a 3D printer. Charge a fee for printing and shipping physical copies of your designs.